How to sync audio with video in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your CapCut application. Then simply import the video and then go to tap add audio. After that, simply extract it from a video or anything that you want to sync with. Now, listen to the audio and then edit it and sync it like this. You have to do it manually since there is no other options of doing it. If you want to voice over, you can sync it easily. So simply go to add audio and then record. This way your audio and video will be synced. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.